Hey guys, Paul the Tech Giant here. So, you've gone out and purchased a brand spanking new LG TV and you can't wait to get it all up and running. But, like most people, you can't be bothered to read the manual. And to be honest, I don't really blame you because, let's be honest, they're hardly the most exciting read in the world, are they? But this video should be right up your street because I've got loads of tips and tricks for you guys. And there are some that you will not find in any manual. Now, if you're looking to purchase a new TV, then please consider the guys at Boxco UK who are kind enough to send over this lovely TV, which has allowed me to make this video for you guys. So they offer a free 5-year warranty on TVs like this, and they also price match. So I will be leaving a link in the description for them. So please go and check them out. Right, let's get straight into these tips and tricks then. And we'll start off with something nice and simple. So let's just say you want to get up the main settings page. Now, if you press the settings button on the remote, you get your shortcut settings just there, and you have an option there for all settings. So if you click on that, and that will take you into your more in-depth settings. But there is a quicker way of doing this. So if you grab your magic remote, but this time hold down that settings button for a few seconds, and then that should take you straight into that main settings page. Now, whilst we are in this section, I'm just going to quickly show you guys how you can get the magic pointer up on the screen. So there is a couple of ways of doing this. Now, you can press down, if I get it to focus, on that little scroll wheel just there, but depending on what you have up on the screen at the time, that may actually select something. But there is another way, and that is simply to give the remote a little shake, and there you go. That will bring up that pointer. Now, whilst we've got the main settings page up, I'm going to show you guys how you can update the software on the TV. So what you're going to want to do is head on down to support and then to software update. And then that will bring up your software version, and you've got this option here for allow automatic updates, which you can switch on or off as you please. Now, a top tip is, personally, I would turn that off. Reason being is not all the updates improve the TV. There has been some that have been known to actually make the TV worse. So I turn it off. The TV will tell you if there is an update available anyway, and do you want to update it. But at that point, I would pop the new software version in on your computer or come to the channel, and hopefully I will have given you all the information you need about that and any warnings if there is any sort of nasty things going on with it. So that is a top tip for you right there. So as you've seen, I've been using this magic pointer to navigate around this menu. But let's just say you don't like the look of that pointer. Maybe it's a little bit too big or a little bit too small. Well, you can in fact change the size of it. And you can do that by simply going into General, then Additional Settings. And then up the top, you will see Pointer Options. Click on that. And there you can change the size of the pointer. How good is that? And also you can change the tracking speed. So if you want, you can speed it up or slow it down. Right, for the next tip and trick, what you're going to want to do is grab your magic remote and press on the home button. Now, as you can see, once we've got the home menu up, we've got all our apps along the bottom just there, and you can use your magic pointer to just speed straight through those, which makes it far easier. But let's just say for a minute, these apps are not in the order that you want them. You want, let's just say, YouTube, not at the end there, you want it right up the front here. Well, this is easily done. So all you're going to want to do is scroll along and then highlight that app and then hold down on that scroll wheel there, holding it down, and there you go. What you can now do is just drag it along to wherever you want, and either press the back button or press the scroll wheel again. So I'm going to press the back button, and there you go. That has dropped it into place. How simple is that? Now, whilst we're on the subject of YouTube, I've got another great tip involving YouTube. So if you go all the way to the end of your home menu and then click on Edit and then go to Add YouTube Channel, then all you do is simply type in the name of your favourite YouTube channel. Then that should bring back the channel you are looking for. As you can see there, there's my channel, The Tech Giant. So add to home, click on that. That then puts it into our home bar there, and then simply put it where you want, drop it, and there you go. So once I click on that now, that will fire straight into my YouTube channel. Also, one other thing to note with that, if you hover over that app now as well, that should bring up all the latest videos from that channel as well. So I think that is a really good tip. Now, if you've been opening up loads of apps, you may find that the TV starts to slow down, but I have a solution. So what you're going to want to do is grab your magic remote, and this time we're going to hold down that home button. So let's hold that down for a few seconds, and there you go. That brings up all your open apps, and you can shut them down individually or shut them all down at once. So it says just there, improve TV performance by deleting your recent apps. So just click on that, and there you go. Simple as that. So talking of apps, you may find that the app that you are looking for is not pre-installed on your TV. So how do you download more apps? Well, simply you go to the LG Content Store, which is right there. So just click on that, and then after a few seconds, with any luck, there you go, it will load up the LG Content Store, and then you go to All Apps, and hopefully you should find the app you are looking for. So you've got yourself your lovely new LG 8K TV, and you're looking for some 8K content to test out on it. Well, I've got some good news. If you download the YouTube app, there is plenty of 8K demos on there, and yes, they will play back in 8K on this TV. So if I just quickly fire up this one just here, and there you go. Now, it may not start off in 8K, so what you may want to do is go to More, click on that, and then click on Quality. As you can see, we are already in 8K, but it may start off in a lower resolution. So, happy viewing. So the next tip and trick is regarding external devices connected to the TV. So let's just say you want to find out what the resolution is being output from your connected device to this TV. So what you want to do is grab your remote, maybe give it a shake, get that pointer up, and then press on the scroll wheel. That will then bring up this bar here and tell you what the device is connected, and then highlight on that box, press enter, and then that will bring up all the information that you will need to know, such as audio, resolution, and aspect ratio. Now, whilst we've got this banner up here, you may decide that you don't like where it's to. You know, it could be getting in the way of something. It could be, say, like the football results or something, constantly covering. Well, you can, in fact, move it. So what you're going to want to do is highlight it with the pointer. And this time, when you press down on the enter button, you're going to hold it down. So press that, hold it down, and there you go. You've got the option to move it around. Well, there you go then, guys. Hopefully you find those tips and tricks useful, and if you do, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, then I will be doing another tips and tricks video, but next time it will be for the 4K nanocell. But some of those tips and tricks will be able to be used on the 8K version as well. So if you would like to see that video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of my latest uploads. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Bye for now.